round cable strip and ring tool for cables. This versatile tool is designed for stripping round cables ranging from 4.5 mm up to 29 mm in diameter. It's built to handle sheath materials such as rubber, polyethylene, and PVC with precision. Perfect for both ring and longitudinal cuts, this tool offers quick and easy blade adjustments to suit your needs. Whether you're making straight or circular cuts, it delivers clean results every time. Durable and user-friendly, it's a must-have for any professional working with cables. Priced at $105, it's an efficient solution for accurate cable prep. SUMAKE Pneumatic Drill. May look compact at just 148 mm, but don't underestimate its power. This small beast hits speeds up to 23,000 RPM. Whether you're drilling through steel, aluminum, or wood, it delivers reliable performance in a tiny frame. On the other hand, this versatile nail gun is a must-have for both seasoned pros and weekend DIYers. From roofing tasks to plumbing projects, or even for adding creative design touches, it's built to handle a range of home construction jobs with ease. Bosch Screwdriver. The latest generation of the compact cordless EXO model now delivers even more power and endurance. With its upgraded battery system, you can now fasten up to 190 screws on a single charge. Whether you're assembling furniture at home or working full-time in a professional woodshop, this tool offers the ideal balance of performance and portability. Designed for ease of use and built with Bosch's trusted engineering, it's a must-have for DIYers and pros alike. Durable, reliable, and ready to go wherever the job takes you, all for just $53. Zircon with Stud SuperScan. This advanced wall scanner is engineered to pinpoint wooden studs quickly and reliably, helping you skip over unwanted materials like plastic piping, nails, metal brackets, and electrical wiring. With precision sensing technology, the Zircon with Stud SuperScan ensures you know exactly what's behind your walls before you drill, hammer, or cut. Whether you're hanging shelves, installing fixtures, or tackling a full renovation, this scanner is your go-to tool for safer, smarter DIY work. No more guessing or unnecessary damage, just accurate stud detection with a simple pass. Designed for both homeowners and pros, it gives real-time feedback, adjusts to different wall depths, and helps you avoid costly mistakes. At just $62, it's an affordable solution that delivers peace of mind and top-tier performance. Choose the Zircon SuperScan for dependable results every time you reach for your tools. Scan smarter. Work better. Build with confidence. KAPRO Nucleo. Mini 3D green laser packs serious precision into a compact frame. Designed for pros and DIYers alike, it projects three sharp 360 degrees green laser lines, vertical front, vertical side, and horizontal bottom, with plus or minus 0.2 mm/m accuracy. The self-leveling pendulum system compensates within plus or minus 3 degrees, ensuring dependable alignment every time. With a 30 m working range, extendable to 60 m using a detector, it's ready for big tasks in tight spaces. Features include pulse, manual, and flash modes to aid visibility in bright light or angled layouts. Built for tough conditions, the Nucleo is IP54 rated and comes with two USB-C rechargeable lithium batteries, tripod threads, a magnetic mount, and a hard case. Whether wall mounting or freestanding, this laser delivers full room coverage and professional-grade control, without the bulk. At just $190, it's a smart investment for those demanding precision and portability on any job site. KONINK MasterFine 360 is the ultimate compact DIY tool that combines a paint sprayer and precision finisher in one sleek, user-friendly design. Priced at just $115 on Kickstarter, it delivers premium features like dual spray patterns, horizontal and vertical, and two pro-grade stainless steel nozzles, 0.8mm and 1.3mm. Its 500W motor offers powerful performance with an output of up to 0.3 liters per minute, while fully adjustable paint and airflow settings allow for exact control. The 200ml detachable paint cup adds convenience, and the lightweight 1.2 kilograms build is perfect for mobile use and tight spaces. Whether you're touching up furniture, detailing crafts, or doing light home projects, the ergonomic handle and easy clean system make every job smoother. Designed for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts, the MasterFine 360 delivers versatility, precision, and portability without breaking your budget. Milwaukee Bandfile M12 Fuel. The Milwaukee M12 Fuel Bandfile is a compact, cordless tool designed to deliver pneumatic-level performance in demanding environments. Built for metalworking, auto body repair, and industrial use, it features a power-state brushless motor for unmatched speed and efficiency in spot weld removal. The tool offers dual speed settings, forward and reverse functionality, a variable speed trigger, and a lock-on switch for precision control. With a 360 degrees rotating arm, tool-free belt changes, adjustable tracking, and a replaceable contact wheel, it's built for maximum flexibility in tight or awkward spaces. The ergonomic barrel grip provides all-day comfort, and the cordless design makes it a go-anywhere solution. Available in two models for different applications, this Bandfile is part of the trusted M12 system. Whether in a shop or on-site, it's built to handle professional workloads and is backed by a reliable multi-year warranty. TOLSEN Magnetic Wristband offers the perfect fusion of strength and convenience for both professionals and DIY users. Built from durable 1680D ballistic nylon, it includes a breathable mesh interior and soft microelastic lining for all-day comfort, sweat control, and excellent tear resistance. Its extra-long Velcro strap adjusts easily to fit most adult wrists, securing the band with ease. Equipped with 6 powerful magnets, it keeps screws, bolts, washers, nails, and drill bits firmly in place, giving you hands-free access to essentials while you work. Sized at 350mm x 90mm, this compact yet rugged mini tool is designed to streamline organization and efficiency on the job. The wristband is attractively packaged in a color box, with 48 units per carton. Hoto Laser Measure Pro brings professional-grade functionality to your fingertips in a sleek, compact device. Whether you're planning home improvements, tackling a DIY project, or redesigning interiors, it offers reliable measurements with surprising versatility. This tool doesn't just handle basic distance checks, it also measures angles, height, and area, and even features a virtual ruler for added flexibility. Its vibrant display makes readings easy to see in any setting, while Bluetooth connectivity lets you sync data directly to the Hoto app for smarter tracking and planning. Designed with convenience in mind, it's lightweight, simple to operate, and built for on-the-go use. With intuitive controls and app integration, it streamlines your workflow without the bulk of traditional tools. Currently on sale and backed by a 1-year warranty, the Hoto Laser Measure Pro is a must-have for anyone serious about precision and portability in their toolkit. Woodpeckers Micro-Square, also called the Mini Square, is a compact precision tool designed to help woodworkers and craftsmen check the squareness of chisels and cutting tools with ease. Crafted from durable aircraft-grade aluminum and finished with a distinctive dark red anodized coating, it combines strength with a stylish appearance. Its small size makes it incredibly easy to handle, store in a pocket, or keep in a custom tray without adding bulk. The bright anodized color is not just for looks, it helps highlight even the smallest gaps, making it easier to ensure accuracy during your work. Built in the USA and backed by a lifetime warranty, this tool offers lasting reliability. At $29.99, it provides excellent value for anyone needing a trustworthy, durable mini square for daily use in their workshop. KAIWEETS HT100S. A compact, pocket-sized non-contact voltage tester made to detect AC voltage quickly and safely. It features two sensitivity modes, a low mode for higher voltages and a high mode for detecting lower voltages, helping you find live wires with ease. The tester uses visual and audio alerts, including a flashing red LED, beeps with varying frequencies, and a percentage bar graph to clearly differentiate live from neutral wires. Extra features like a built-in flashlight, low battery indicator, and auto shut-off enhance safety and user convenience. Designed with durability in mind and meeting strict safety standards, this voltage tester is a reliable tool for both professionals and homeowners. Its lightweight, portable design fits easily in a pocket or on a belt with the included clip. Priced affordably, the KAIWEETS HT100S delivers excellent value for anyone needing a dependable, easy-to-use voltage tester. JM3 Oil Filter Wrench Gen is a compact, high-performance mini tool proudly made in the USA. Crafted from rugged raw steel and lightly oiled for immediate use, this wrench offers a perfect balance of durability and ease of operation. Its revolutionary design ensures ergonomic handling, making it comfortable to use during tough jobs, while its compact shape allows for effortless storage and portability. Featuring a free-floating ratchet mechanism, the wrench provides smooth, reliable turns without requiring excessive force. Despite its robust build, it remains pocket-friendly and simple to clean, making it an ideal choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Priced affordably, the Gen 3 wrench delivers exceptional value as a dependable, long-lasting solution for oil filter removal. Whether you're working in tight spaces or need a versatile tool that fits easily into your toolkit, this wrench has you covered. ROTHENBERGER MINICUT Pro. A compact and highly efficient tube cutter designed to perform flawlessly in tight, hard-to-reach spaces. Engineered from robust die-cast steel, this tool is built to last and withstand demanding job site conditions. Its replaceable steel cutting wheel offers clean, precise cuts every time, which is essential for professional plumbing or HVAC work. The MINICUT Pro is ideal for users who need a reliable, portable cutter that doesn't compromise on quality despite its small size. Its slim design allows it to fit into cramped areas where larger tools simply won't work, making it perfect for jobs with limited access. Though the official price isn't available from ROTHENBERGER directly, many retailers list it at a reasonable cost, reflecting its value for professional-grade performance. Fanttik C8 Nano. Cordless electric scissors are a compact yet powerful tool designed for crafters, DIYers, and packaging experts. Its high-performance motor delivers enhanced cutting power, making it easy to slice through a variety of materials such as cardboard, carpet, leather, and plastic. The cordless design offers great convenience, powered by a rechargeable battery that ensures you won't be slowed down by cords or frequent recharging. An intuitive LED display shows battery life and lets you select from multiple speed modes, so you can tailor the tool to your project's needs. A built-in LED light helps you work with precision, even in low-light conditions. Blade changes are effortless thanks to an easy swap system with spindle lock and metal key. The kit includes 2 blades, a charging cable, a key, and a storage bag, making it a complete solution.